Several towns in Marinduque are placed under a state of calamity due to increasing number of rabies cases. According to the Marinduque Provincial Veterinary Office, there is a rabies outbreak in the province as 89 dogs, 6 pigs, 3 cows, and a deer have been infected with the disease. The Department of Agriculture, or DA, strictly prohibits eating of animals with rabies. The agency continues to intensify its rabies vaccination programs to curb the cases among livestock.
Hindi matindi case eh. Alam mo kasi sa bukid, kapag nakita nila na medyo nalalabyan na yung baka, inuupakan na nila agad para masave yung beef kaysa mamatay. Pero wala pang reported na yung kumain ng baka doon sa Marinduque nagkaroon ng sakit. Sa rabies, because it's a zoonotic disease, no? May possibility na ma-transfer pag kinain yung animal yan.